Alpha Golf, number 1 now, contact Guernsey Tower 119.950.
Alpha Golf 119.95, we'll go.
Golf India, would you be able to arrange your flight to remain to the west of the Casquettes Lighthouse, please?
Hey Sam, no problem, Golf India.
Airline 502, do you have Alden in sight?
Hey Sam, 502.
Airline 502, but you're clear visual approach for runway 08, left base join, the QNH is 1017.
17, series approach 08, 502.
Airline 828, resume your own navigation direct Jersey.
Navigation Jersey 828.
Golf Echo Romeo, do you have the airfield in sight?
At 2,000 feet at the moment.
Golf Echo Romeo, roger, continue on your own navigation onto final for runway 09.
Continue your navigation, runway 09, Golf Echo Romeo.
Airline 502, traffic information for you is the Robin aircraft will be remaining to the west of the Casquettes Lighthouse, not above altitude 2,000 feet, doing some general handling. Airline 828, contact Jersey approach 120.3.
120.388, mark now.
Golf Echo Romeo, still number 2, number 1's on a 1 mile final, contact Guernsey Tower 119.950.
119.950, thank you. Guernsey Tower, Golf India Victor Echo Romeo on frequency.
Golf India Victor Echo Romeo, Guernsey Tower, runway 09, continue approach number 2 to the other Europa. There will be a citation to roll between you.
Copy traffic, number 2, Golf Echo Romeo.
Fraction 3 X-ray Whiskey, after the landing light aircraft on short final, line up and wait, be ready immediate.
After landing aircraft on final, ready for lineup or clear for lineup, and we are ready for immediate fraction takes a whiskey.
EGT 3 low.
Golf Alpha Golf, vacate next right at Bravo, taxi to the west grass.
Alpha Golf, vacate right. Brian 328 requesting taxi.
Fraction 3 X-ray Whiskey, clear for immediate takeoff, surface wind 140, 90 knots.
Fraction 3 X-ray Whiskey, cleared for takeoff.
328, give way to the light aircraft vacating at Bravo for the west grass, taxi then holding point Delta 1, runway 09, QNH 1017.
Give way to the aircraft 1017, is there any chance of taking Charlie? Brian 328.
Brian 328, there's a dash 8 to roll, so intermediate departure will just increase your vortex weight.
Roger, to Delta 1, Brian 328.
Target
Golf
speed
Echo Romeo, clear
is
to land, surface wind 130, 90 knots.
Clear to land, Golf Echo Romeo.
Fast.
Alpha Golf will be required until...
Fast.
Golf Alpha Golf, copied, we'll give the fuelers a call for you.
Alpha Golf.
Fast. Fast.
Fraction 3 X-ray Whiskey, contact Jersey Zone 125.2, Banner.
Very fast.
152, bye-bye, fraction 3 X-ray
Very
Whiskey.
fast. Very fast. Very fast. Very fast. Fast. Speed good. EGT 3 low. Slow. Speed good. Speed good. Fast, very fast.
Jersey 2
Very
Golf Alpha
fast.
after the landing light aircraft on
Very
short final,
fast.
line up and wait.
Fast.
After landing aircraft in sight, line up and wait, Jersey 2 Golf Alpha.
Speed good. Fast. Speed good. Fast. Very fast. Fast. Very fast. Fast. Very fast. Very fast. Very fast. Fast. Speed good. Slow.
EGT.
Very slow.
3, low.
Very slow. Very slow. Very slow.
Golf Echo Romeo, vacated Bravo, taxi to the West Cross.
Okay, Bravo and West Glass, Golf Echo Romeo.
EGT. 3, low.
Tower line 604 Alpha ATR Center 2 with Victor 1017, departure clearance, Gatwick please.
Airline 604 Alpha, Guernsey Tower, standby.
EGT. 4, low. EGT. 2,
Jersey 2 Golf
low.
Alpha, clear for takeoff, surface wind 130, 9 knots.
Clear takeoff, Jersey 2 Golf Alpha.
Last 328 after departing dash 8 via Delta 1, line up and wait.
After dash 8, line up, wait, Robbie, 09, line 328.
Airline 604 Alpha, Guernsey Tower, Victor is current, clearance to Gatwick, or TAC 2 Echo departure, squawk 1265.
Cleared Gatwick, Auto 2 Echo 1265, airline 604.
Airline 604 Alpha, correct.
Good morning, Tower, Golf Bravo X-ray, Romeo Golf on the grass. Hopefully you've got plans for us up to Alderney. Requesting start.
Golf X-ray Romeo Golf for A firm, we do. Start approved, Victor's current.
Start approved, and we have Victor Golf Romeo Golf 6.
Hello, hello.
Jersey 2 Golf Alpha, contact Guernsey approach 128.650.
128.650, Jersey 2 Golf Alpha, thanks, bye.